Woo! Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Back to the channel, welcome back to Bumble Bear Show. And today we'll have unleashing again. Yep. So this is a new kit. Yeah. Thankfully, we are now on the era of the new kits that was I've ordered. So these kits right now is our whoa, boxes falls right there. So this kit is now an order, but this kit was, I think it's also released on 2024, but I've ordered this on 2025. So yeah, this is new for me. So without further ado, with my Rusty Basil Trusted Hobby Knife, let's go. Let's unleash this one. Let's go. So we unleash this, and we have here your this is your RGM-79 shoulder cannon and some missile pods and another cannon. I don't know, but yeah, these are the RGM-79. It has 3 kinds of different weapons. And as I know that it has 3 kinds of weapons, and this is a bootleg. This is from the Geico. Am I right? Geico. I don't know, but it has a GK65714. It doesn't have any kind of name right there. Yeah, that is the that is your name or the brand. Another box full at the side. Okay. Yeah. So it has 3. Okay. It has 3 kinds of weapons. So I decided that I will get 2 of this so that I can display it with all the units or all of the weapons that it has. Okay, and maybe it will have some other weapons so that I can also attach them to other units. Okay, so yeah, the missile pods, the cannon, am I right? Does it have a... No, it's all in Chinese, so we cannot understand that. Okay, so missile pod, it has this cannon. It also has that, it's like a shotgun at the side or at the backpack, attached in the backpack of this RGM or GM-79. So this is from, as I know, this is from the GTO. Am I right? GTO, the Gundam The Origin, or in the Kokurus Doan Islands movie. I just don't know. Okay, so we will just have that. And as I know, there's also the gun cannon. Am I right? It's the gun cannon RX-79. If I'm right? Yeah, which it was already reviewed by Sir Gundam Deck. Yep, shout out for Sir Gundam Deck. He already reviewed it, and I didn't order it. Yeah, still right now when I'm recording this, I still didn't order it. But maybe when I upload this video, I already ordered the other one, or the gun cannon, because as Sir Gundam Deck reviewed it, I saw that it's not from the GTO, but it's from the Kokurus Doan's Islands. If I'm right, Kokurus Doan's Islands movie. So it's a little bit different kind of gun cannon. I read gun cannon, gun tank, and Gundam, right? Okay. So yeah, maybe I will order also that kit, and then with this, I want to have 3 of this because it has 3 kinds of weapons. So that will be next time, so I will order it, and yeah, we will have it here on our channel. So yeah, this is a bootleg, so we will not have a speed build for this one. We will have a live build for this. Okay, so it will have a unboxing, a live build, a quick look, and a full review of this kit next time. Okay, so yeah, RGM, these grants are really nice, man. Realize you will really feel the kind of militaristic kind of units, and yeah, watch it on the anime, you can really feel it. Alright, so the edgy boxy type kind of unit, it's nice. Okay, it really it's very nostalgic, that you can really feel that it's like you're watching the old kind of Gundams on the old kinds of units, but has a modern design, not design, but a modern aesthetics. Yeah, that's the term. Okay, and if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so that you'll be informed for our next videos. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpowder Show signing out. That's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. Bye. Woo! So, if you reach this part of my video, please comment down there below #Jake the Gunpla Reviewer and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you and peace out.